NextPCB is the world's largest PCB manufacturer in China. They are all certified and fully authentic. You'll get here all sorts of PCBs that you'll need for your projects. They provide great offer for new customers. Either you'll get your first order free of charge or you will receive $100 gift coupon. It is very simple to code an order in NextPCB. First, you need to upload your Gaba file and select the options like layers, thickness, colors, etc. You can also select PCB assembly and stencil if you need. Then select the shipping method and make the payment. That's all. NextPCB is a professional PCB design checking software created by NextPCB. It's an accurate calculator which helps engineers build low-cost and high-efficiency PCB projects. 6 great features of NextPCB. 1. Easy to use. 2. One-click PCB file checker. 3. Multiple practical tools. 4. Instant code. 5. One-click file generator. 6. Free. You don't have to pay any money for using this. If you are interested, just check the links in the description below.